Hello everyone, I'm Teacher Al. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going Distance Problems Part 3, Grade 7, Number 5 problem. At 7:30 a.m., first airplane leaves Manila for Cebu, a distance of 400 miles. The first plane flies at 200 miles per hour. A second airplane leaves Manila at 7:45 a.m. and is scheduled to land in Cebu 15 minutes before the first airplane. At what rate must the second airplane travel to arrive on the schedule? So the problem I'm asking for the rate of the second airplane. So our solution, first airplane, we have to get the time travel. So we will use the formula T equals D over R, and the distance covered of the first airplane is 400, and miles per hour, or the rate, is 200. Then we're going to divide it, 400 divided by 200, 2 hours. Okay, 2 hours the time travel of the first airplane. Then we have to compute the arrival in Cebu. At 7:30 a.m., then plus 2 hours, so we have 9:30 a.m. the time of arrival in Cebu of the first airplane. Then the second airplane we're going to compute again. The first airplane arrival in Cebu 9:30. Then we have to minus the 15 minutes ahead of time of the second airplane. Then the time of arrival in Cebu of the second airplane must be 9 hours and 15 minutes in the morning. So the time travel of 9:15, we're going to subtract. It becomes now 9:15 becomes 8 and 75. Then we are going to minus the 8 hours and 45 minutes. So 8 and 75 minus 8 and 45, so we have 30 minutes the time of travel of the second airplane. Our next step is to find the rate of the second airplane, which is required in the given problem. So the rate is equals to D over T, that's our formula. So the distance covered is 400 over 30 over 60. Why 30 over 60? Because a time covered is 30 minutes. We have to divide this by 60 minutes because our rate is expressed in R. That's why we're going to divide the 30 minutes into 60 minutes. So 400 over 1 times 60 over 30. Then by cancellation method, we have 60 divided by 2 equals 2, 30 divided by 1 equals 30 divided by 30 equals 1. Then horizontal multiplication, 400 times 2 equals 800 miles per hour. Our complete answer, 800 miles per hour, the rate of second airplane just to arrive on schedule. Okay, next problem, number 6. An express train traveled 60 kilometers per hour from Pasay to Monumento. A local train traveling at 40 kilometers per hour takes 2 hours longer for the same trip. How far apart are Pasay and Monumento? So asking for the distance. So our solution, express train, we will use the distance equals RT formula. Then the local train, also distance equals RT. Then the rate of express train is 60, and the time covered is 2 hours. So it becomes distance of the express train is 120 kilometers. The local train, we have the rate is 40 times 2, we have the distance covered is 80 kilometers. So our equation is distance equals the express train plus the local train. Distance equals distance of the express train first, and the second distance is the local train. So the distance covered by the express train is 120 kilometers, and for the local train is 80 kilometers. We have to do is to add. So the distance covered from Pasay to Monumento is 200 kilometers. So therefore our complete answer is 200 kilometers is the distance from Pasay to Monumento. Today we're going to study again how to solve number problem involved in grade 7. Number 1 problem. In a local election, Romel Alvarez received 3,500 votes more than his opponent, Ricky Lee. If 14,600 votes were cast in all, how many votes did each candidate receive? So we have to analyze first the problem. So Romel Alvarez received more than to his opponent. The more than is 3,500. So our solution, we're going to use representation. Let X be the number of votes received by Lee, and for the number of votes received by Alvarez, our equation is representation rather is X plus 3,500. X plus 3,500 because Romel Alvarez received more than 3,500. Next, we're going to make an equation. Our equation, since from the word we're going to divide it, this 14,600 cast in all. So we're going to add X plus 3,500 equals 14,600. And then that's our equation. Then we're going to solve the equation. X plus 3,500 equals 14,600. Then we're going to combine like terms. X plus X equals 2X. Then plus 3,500 equals 14,600. Then we're going to transpose the 3,500 to the right side of the equation. From positive becomes negative. Then the left side, the remaining is 2x. Then 14,600 minus 3,500, we have 11,100. So the equation is 2x equals 11,100. Then since we're solving for x, so we are going to divide it by 2, both sides. So 2x divided by 2 equals x, 11,100 divided by 2 equals 5,550. So for Ricky Lee, since Ricky Lee is the x, received 5,550 votes. Okay, next number 2 problem, about number problem in grade 7. Find 2 consecutive integers whose sum is 55. When we say integers, it is positive and negative and 0 numbers. And we say consecutive, like for example 9, what is next to 9 is 10, what is next to 10 is 11, what is next to 11 is 12. So 9, 10, 11, 12 is called consecutive numbers. Okay, our solution, we have of course to prepare a representation. Let x be the first integer, the first executive integers, and x plus 1 be the second executive integers. So the equation now, since sum, we're going to add the first executive integers and the second integers. So our first consecutive integers is x plus the second integers, we have x plus 1 equals 55. Then next, we're going to solve the equation. X plus 1 equals 55. Then combine like terms. X plus x equals 2x plus 1 equals 55. Then we're going to transpose the positive 1 to the right side of the equation, becomes negative 1, and to the left side equals 2x. Then 55 minus 1 equals 54, and the left side we have 2x. Then since we're going to solve for x, we're going to divide both sides by 2. 2x divided by 2 equals x, 54 divided by 2 equals 27. Then next we're going to find the second consecutive integers. X plus 1 equals, so the value now of x is 27, plus 1 equals 28. So the complete answer, the two consecutive integers are 27 and 28. So to check, x plus 1 equals 55, 27 plus 27 plus 1 equals 55, 27 plus 27 equals 54 plus 1 equals 55, and 54 plus 1 equals 55 equals 55. Since the result is a true equation, so therefore our answer is correct. Okay, the next problem is number 3. Find the 3 consecutive integers whose sum is 300. So our solution, we have to start first with the representation. Let x be the first consecutive integer. Then x plus 1 be the second consecutive integers. And x plus 2 be the third consecutive integers. Then we have to make an equation. So since we encounter the word sums, we're going to add the first, second, and third integers. So x plus 1 plus x plus 2 equals, the given is 300, so equals 300. To solve the equation, we have x plus 1 plus x plus 2 equals 300. So we're going to combine like terms. So x plus x equals 3x, 1 plus 2 equals plus 3 equals 300. Then 3x equals 300. Then we're going to transpose positive 3 to the right side of the equation, becomes negative 3. Then we're going to simplify. 300 minus 3 equals 297. Just copy 3x. And since we're solving for the x, so we're going to divide both sides of the equation by 3. So 3x divided by 3 equals x, and 297 divided by 3 equals 99. So the first consecutive integer is 99. So next, solve for the second consecutive integers. X plus 1 equals 99, plus 1 equals 100. So 100 is the second consecutive integers. The next, solve for third consecutive integers. X plus 2 equals 99, plus 2 equals 100. Now the complete answer, the 3 consecutive integers are 99, 100, and 101.